It is now time for bedroom fire alarm test 12. What we have up today, as you can see right here, is the Pyrotronics MS-51 conventional single action pull station. And up above, we have this. This is a Pyrotronics HSD-24, also known as the Wheelock 7002T. This is a classic fire alarm that it seems that less and less collectors have these now, so it's definitely cool to have one. So the panel is set on continuous, so we will be hearing that today. So let's get started. Now, since it's a 2-wire alarm, there is no audible silence. I'm going to go ahead and reset the pull station now. There's the inside if anybody want to see it. And yes, I am aware that I'm not using the proper tool to reset this, but it's actually a lot more efficient than the Allen wrench. So that's going to be the end of the video. As always, thank you for watching. Be sure to check out my Groupme and eBay. Both are in the description. Thank you and have a great day.